Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook effortlessly using Power Automate. Now once you're here, you may be wondering why am I using the website application of Outlook, because this video only compromises on the website itself. Now if you're using an application, I strongly suggest that you need to access a Microsoft 365. I know Microsoft 365 requires a paid subscription, but for this method, there is also a free method for this one, which is I'm going to teach you right now. So once you're inside here, basically click on the 3 dots, or rather right here, 9 dots in sense. So if you click on this one, just look for Power Automate. So simply click on Power Automate right there, and we'll open up a new tab. Now once you're here, after opening up a new tab right here, you're going to have this option. And by the way guys, I already have a video about Power Automate, and please check it out to have a very comprehensive review on how it works. Now once you're here on the left side, you have the home button, the templates, your flows if you have already created one. And basically to create one, start one basically, click on create. So bottom section, you're going to have templates which are also associated with outside or third-party applications much like Google right here. Now once you're here, I'm going to set up a cloud flow. So we have different kinds of flow, but for this video, I'm going to use scheduled cloud flow. If you click on it, you're going to have this one. Let me just name it sample flow, like so. So we can start date for running and then repeat every 1 minute, week, day, or hour. I'm going to with this one by week. And with this being said, I think I'm satisfied with this one. I can deselect for weekdays only or weekends for the whole week. So I think I'm going to go with the whole week for this one. And now I'm going to simply click on create. So welcome back to the video. Right now, once you're here, you're going to see this landing page after selecting which day of the week your recurrence or your flow will run. Now once you're here, if you click on recurrence, you can now edit which week are you going to go through. For example, if you click on edit right there, you have interval, per week, or preview from Monday to Wednesday, or rather Sunday. Advanced options right here to start time on these days, and for example at these hours to be more specific on your recurrences. Now once you're here, for example, you're satisfied with the days here, for example at these hours and at these minutes, let's just say you're satisfied. Go to new step. After clicking new step, you're going to have an operation starting from built-in, standard, premium up to clipboard. But for this video, we're looking for Outlook. However, I'm seeing Outlook right here already, but that's not the Outlook we're looking for. So simply type in Outlook first right here. You're going to have a lot of results. You have 365 or Outlook.com. Now, if you're paid subscription for that Microsoft 365, please choose this one. If you're like me, for example, you're having a free trial for general audiences, choose the Microsoft Outlook.com. So if you select on right here, you're going to have actions. And since we're focusing on email, look for email right here. Send an email version 2. Now, for example, once you're here, since I don't have a suggested people on my email, you'll not show it up here. But for example, I have this one. Let's just go for carry@gmail.com, something like that. This is just a sample email, just for the sake of discussion. And now with this one, there's this subject. Let's just say sample subject. For the body, I'm just gonna type in sample body, something like that. Again, guys, for the advanced options, you're gonna have the from, so they will know who is it sent from, the CC, BCC, attachment, add one item, and so much more. The importance is right here. I think this is normal, low, and high. And then reply to, for example, this one right here, they will know who to reply to. And with this one, it's just a basic email. Now, for example, we're done here. We're satisfied with what we have, simply click on save. Once successfully saved, you can see an option here that your flow is ready to go on the upper left corner. And then, to test it, simply go to test. Now, while this one, since we already have one option, might as well choose manually. Click on test. And right now, it's currently running right now. This flow uses Outlook.com for sample. I'm going to run flow. So your flow will run successfully started. To monitor it, go to flow runs page. I'll see you in there. Now, welcome back to the video. Right now, this is the status that it is succeeded. And basically, once we go back on the previous page, and then once you're here, click on done. You can see right here, your flow has run successfully. Easy as that. Now, just to add up, click my flows one more time here. And this is the one you just created. You can edit stuff here, for example, run it, edit, share, save as copy, export, and so much more, because in some time near the future you want to edit your flow, this is where you want to do it. Again, it's under my flows, and this is the flow we just created. And now, just to add up and more information for you guys, again, this is our flows, the one we created from earlier. This is a new flow that I created a few seconds ago, and with this one we can run, edit, and of course share it. But there's these 3 buttons where you can now turn it off. There's also a pair of tips off right here, analytics, and export. For example, I turn this off right now. This flow is currently turned off and will not be running until, of course, I turn it back on. Basically, that's it. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.